Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Can I run wheel spacers on the stock rims?
Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories installed between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. Just like wheels, tires, and brake systems. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. Bonus is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material, modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, Bonus has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience. Breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacers. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety.
So if you want to get these bonus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, Bonus Wheelfitment.